All right, y'all. This is just a quick video to show the latest journal I've made, the one I've been working on for quite a while because I got, what am I doing over here? Got, COVID, all these other things that kept me from getting it finished, but it's done in time, so got that much. But I wanted to do a really quick video just to show the finished product. This is a gift for a young lady who is graduating this year. So yes, this is for her. So let's just start off with, I was contacted by my friend and she asked me if I could make a journal for her niece. And I gave her some options, different, what do you call them? Trying to spit it out. Themes. Whew, words. So this is what I came up with, and it's a succulent theme. That's what she chose. And here's the outside. Tassel, little dangle. 5 signatures. Dangles in the bottom. This is from an actual little booklet that's in there, and there's that dangle. And then we have a bunch of dangles. She also likes owls, so I had found these and I added them. A bunch of leaves here, different little dangles. And let's open it up real quick. This is going to be a quick video just to show what it looks like. And it is very full already, so yes. Just opening it up and showing you things I've added to it, things I've done. Flipping through really quickly just to get an idea of it. These are just different types of, I did all the coffee staining, cutting, sewing, everything. And this is from a kit on Etsy. I want to say it's Irresistible Prints, but I will have to look it up to be positive. We have a little booklet in here. This one's plain because it has the fancy with more stuff on the inside. Booklet. For some reason I did it on that side. I'm not quite sure why I did that, but I'm sure I had my reasons when I did it. See, little dangles here and there. Shorter pages. I wanted to leave as much blank space and so that she could fill this up with all of her goals, dreams, whatever she wanted to use it for. That's the first signature, second signature. Just flipping through quick. I did some tabs here and there. Excuse me. And if my hands are filthy, you know the story. I literally just finished this. And we have another little booklet here. Like that. It's all colors that are complementary to the papers that I used throughout the entire thing. I also have an extra little kit for her, for the gift, to include with it all the extras that I have that I did not finish. We have tags and tuck spots and all kinds of stuff here. I sewed on this little decorative pattern before I glued down the ribbon. I just thought it worked with a little leaf pattern. And to the center again, we have another little book. Place to write. Let's see here. I'm going quickly. Like I said, I just want this to be a very short video to show my friend Paula what it looks like. There's envelopes. Each envelope has something inside of it as well. More writing space. We have a little clear pocket. More dangles. Tabs, not tags. In the center of this one has a little bag that I put the little put the, what is this stuff called? Blindy's mica sprays, mica powder sprays. I think they're mica powder anyway. That's in the center of that one. And get to the back. We have another stuffed envelope here that's made. See, little envelope, and it has stuff inside of it to write on as well. And the last signature has more tags, more papers, more places to write. Let's see here. Then the center here, I made a little dangle here, little charm. And I do need to add some glue to that still. And this has another little mini book inside of it that has tags in it and tickets and more stuff. And then there's some more papers in each section. And there's some in the front here too. There's 3 pockets here. And that one has some, and I need to put some glue on that before I do anything else, which I'll do right now because I have a feeling if I don't, I will forget. So I saw that last night and knew it needed it and totally flaked. Because I don't want to send something that's halfway done. That would really suck and be really crappy of me. Let me clean that up. Jeez, close, that takes forever. Okay, get a paper towel. Oh, crap. Probably should have done this off screen. So there's that. Make sure there's none coming off the edges, because if there is, it's going to make the pages stick together. There we go. That's fixed. Make sure there's none there. And let's see, another dangle. Just a little owl. I put washi on pages. As I said, I wanted this. Here's a little belly band I sewed on that has a little book here and some more papers. I took one of the little decorative postcards, and made a little book that has a bunch of different little papers in it. It has the little dangle to hang out the bottom of the book. That, and here's the back. More tags. And the back. So there's that. Then I also have included, as I said, a little folder I made that is full, crammed full of all the ephemera that I cut out and did not use from the kits, from the kit I used. So it can be, so she can use it, you know, whatever she wants to do. There's some little washi paper stickers. There's quite a few different things in there. Also some stickers I made and cut out. So, oh, and there's also 2 packaged kits. This is an actual planner kit that I found in my stash that has never been used. There's that, the succulent theme. And I picked these up thinking I might use them, and I ended up not using them, so I just threw them in here too. So there's those. Then I also found decorative, I had these in my stash, decorative succulent erasers, mini erasers. I included some washi. There's another booklet here. I included quite a few of these and some more bulb clips, some other washi here, and the bottom is all the little bitty pieces of ephemera. So that's everything in it, and I hope you like it, and I hope it's what you wanted. So yeah. So anybody else, if you like this, you know, I mean, it will lay flat all the way open, but it's so full already that, yeah, probably going to need to use a piece of cardstock or something to put underneath each page to write really easily, which, yeah, that happens sometimes. But it is very full. It feels good in the hands. It is just adorable. So I hope you like it, Paula. Let me know. Send me a message, Facebook or whatever. And everybody else, I hope y'all have a great week, and I will get back to the fashion videos this week. Yay! I have some things I need to film and get up, and I'm going to try to do that tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then Tuesday. So it will be posted Wednesday. And if you've liked this video, you know the deal. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff. And remember, you're beautiful just the way you are, and don't let anyone take away your shine. Bye.